network can be split up into two words, net and work. The word net can be represented like the spider web, and the word work represents the working together part. Combining the two words makes the word network. Metaphorically speaking, a spider web holds out together for the spider habitat. For us, it's all about connecting together about the data. We can connect together sharing data and information through a medium of some sort. This is the main reason you can play online video games, surf the internet, chat with your friends, and texture all around the globe. I hope you are excited to join with me in this journey of networking. By the end of this course, you should be able to have a strong basic fundamental knowledge about networking. And with these skills you have, you would be able to build an online game, a chat application, or just a device that connects to the Internet of Things. I will try my best to simplify the difficulty part of this topic as much as possible. While a lot of topics can go really complicated and advanced, but don't worry, by the end of this course, you should be able to become a networking nerd. Before I start, I would just like to say that you don't need any knowledge about networking at all, but you will need some basic secondary school mathematical knowledge to survive this course. I would like to say that I won't go the same route as the book about networking. This is because the way I see it is more easier to start with, since many books assumes you've already know about basic networking. Now let's take a look at two computers connecting together. This is the most easiest type of network you will ever see. Let's say you want to send a message that says hi from computer 1 to computer 2. The first step is the cabling, or the physical item you want to use to connect. In this example, I use the cable. This connects to the hub or switch, which is a device that allows us to connect the two computers. This is actually step 2. In step 2, the hub or switch allows us to create a link or passage for the data to travel through. In step 3, we make a connection. The difference between step 2 and step 3 is that step 2 focuses on creating a passage, and step 3 focuses on the connection, also called network. Step 4 gives us the idea that if every data has been passed through, or if every transportation was a success or not. And finally we have step 5, which is the actual application itself, or the result. If you understood till here, congratulations, you've actually understood the high-level networking at a basic level. We're going to learn more about this in the series, but for now, that's all you need to know.